Hello, today I'm going to show you how to refuel your Mercedes-Benz C180 sedan. Let's go to the right side of your car and push on top of the filler flap. Now you have to unscrew the cover and rest it on the area on top. Now grab the pistol, super plus. Push it in position and pull the trigger. Maybe you are going to lock the trigger for pumping or get some gas or petrol inside the tank. If the tank is full, it will be automatically shut off, or you're going to use your fingers for this. Now extract the pistol and push it back into the slot over there. Then you're going to reinstall your cover and push the full flip flap on position. So, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.